Hello wonderful people and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can change a normal shirt into a pilot shirt, but this time with a press button, not a normal button but a press button. So we've got your scissors, the press button there, you've got needle and a thread, a pencil, a fabric glue and measuring tape. You've got the old shirt that was used previously and your new shirt. So this is the exact same old shirt that we cut up, but this time with a press button, not a button from the old shirt. Now let's get started. So and as you can see, there's a button missing because we used it previously, and the side has been cut off because we used that side previously. You can use all the side of the shirt, even the collar you can use to make your pilot shirt, and all this space as well. You can utilize it. You don't have to waste this old shirt. You can use all the sides for making the piece of material for your pilot shirt. All of this can be used. Okay, so let's get started. We are going to use the press buttons over there. These press buttons are really big. I got it from Amazon, but ideally you don't need this size. It's too big, honestly. But we're going to use it as it is. This, as you can see, is my shirt. It's a grown-up shirt. The last video was for my children, so that was a smaller shirt, but this time around it's a big shirt. We're going to, just like we did before, measure the shoulder. So we're going to measure the shoulder, and then we're going to get the old shirt, cut it up like we did in our previous video, and get ready to sew. Cut out any excess material that you don't need. Try and fit it as we did previously, and get your thread ready. So right here you've sewed one piece of the fabric of the material to the end of the shoulder, and now it's time to, instead of buttons like we did before, we're going to sew in the press button on where the collar is. So it's important you get the press button facing the correct ways, so you can test it out to see if it can clip. So you test it out to make sure that it clips before you start sewing it. Okay, so it looks like it can click, so we can sew it. So get your thread ready as usual. Tie it up to make sure that it is secure, and practice it out again. Make sure it's in the right way before you sew it down. You might need to test it out a few times. Like I said, these press buttons are really big. You don't need this size. You can get a smaller press buttons, but this is what I've already got, so I need to utilize it. And I have tried it one more time to make sure that it works before I start sewing. You will sew one side of the press button to the piece of material that you've created, and you sew the other side of the press button to the actual shoulder of the shirt. Now you're sewing the other side of the press button onto the shoulder of your new shirt. As you can see, both sides of the press buttons can clip perfectly. All you have to do is iron down to neaten it up. You can test it out to see if it clips and nicely hidden, not visible at all. And you can just tidy it up. You have the space to put, like I have been previously in my previous videos, your barrette. You can put in your sack. So this is the final product and it looks great. Thank you very much for joining me in this video, and I hope to see you very soon in the next one. Bye-bye. You're dying to